So if your dog or cat has a seizure, generally they will start to shake. They may start to convulse. They may fall on their side. They may paddle. The big defining feature of seizures is that they're going to be unconscious, or their mental state is going to change, right? So that's the defining factors in seizure. So if your pet has a seizure, you're not going to do any help by running up and trying to pull their tongue out. Just leave them alone until it's over. That's really important, because you'll get bit. You know, in a young dog, those seizures, you know, they may not last quite so long, okay? And if your dog recovers, I don't think it's an emergency, okay? But if they start lasting the inordinate amount of time, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, that can be more of an emergency, because, you know, as dogs are convulsing like that, their muscle contractions and all that can lead to a host of other problems physiologically. You see what I'm saying? So,
and then, do you know any natural or holistic remedies for seizures?
Absolutely. Incidence of seizures increases with dry, kibble-based diets. So one of them is change diets to wet food, canned foods, not dry, kibble-based. It's one thing you can do. The other thing is you can give MCT oil. Some of these seizure diets will have MCT oil impregnated in it. MCT oil is good for, you know, it's found in coconut oil. And then there's some Eastern herbals that work really well for it, okay? And some of this depends on, you know, the pet owner. And so if you get a young dog and it has a seizure before 2 years of age, right? Do we just run out and throw them on medicine the rest of their life? Well, I don't do that, you know? What you want to do is, you know, how many seizures are too many? So you could have a 2-year-old dog have 3 or 4 seizures, or say 1 a month for a couple of months, and then they may go away and never have them again. And by definition, that's going to be epilepsy, or epileptic seizures. Most dogs are epileptic, or a lot of dogs who have seizures when they're younger, epileptics. So